like Jesse likes a new hoist. What are we doing in the 200 series?
We are fitting a stock lockup converter kit and an iDrive.
Fantastic.
Should help with a bit of towing and a bit of throttle response, so it should be good.
I actually just had another call about these lockup kits, and just looking at there's a few different ones on the market. What do you like about the Stockwell one, Pat?
Probably the biggest feature is it's very smooth in its operation and it doesn't bring on the transmission fault light regularly. So nothing really major. You can turn the codes off in the ECU, but it's probably a little bit more refined.
Something else I noticed that people quite like with these kits is just how factory the buttons look. Makes it nice and easy. Goes with the 200 series as well. It's a very nice vehicle, so makes it look like it should.